I'm Kayan from ACM and today I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm using the student license. So first we log into the browser of our own choice, then search this site JetBrains shop eForm and then students. This is the link which will be shared in the video. Then click on the university email address. I'm a student, undergraduate. Type your email address. Here I'll be using my email address for now. Type your first name, surname, and apply for the free products. Now we'll be giving a verification email to our ID. So check your email. Now open Gmail. Click on the JetBrains mail. Click on this link. Click on Get Started to Use. Now agree to this user agreement. Accept. Now you can either sign in with your existing account or create a JetBrains account. Now if you're creating a JetBrains account, then use the email ID of your choice. Click on sign up and fill in the user details. We'll come back after a while after I fill in all my user details. Now as this page is visible, now click on a new tab, click PyCharm, download JetBrains. Now click on this link. Here, as we have signed in and we have a JetBrains account, click on the professional PyCharm for people who have the account. Click on the download.exe file. Do not click on the download.exe ARM64 that is not for the Windows architecture. So now click on download. Now we'll come back for a while after the download is completed. Now as the file is downloaded, double click on the .exe file. And now this will tell you if you wish to allow to make changes. Now click on next. Now browse the destination folder. It's recommended to keep it in the folder they have given already. Click on next. Create desktop shortcut. Add a bin folder. Click on all the checkboxes. Next. The start menu should have JetBrains itself. Now install. Now as the setup is complete, you can either click on reboot now or want to manually reboot later, but right now we'll be rebooting it now. So I'll come back after a while after my PC. After rebooting the PC, the PyCharm desktop icon will be visible. Double click on that. Now agree to this user agreement. To send anonymous statistics or do not send is depending on the user's preference. I'm clicking on don't send. Now you're login with your JetBrains account. So click on login. Now fill in the details, user details. I'll come back in a while after I fill in the user details. Click on sign in. Authorization successful. Now close this page and return to the ID. Now click activate. And now you have activated the license.